Okay, this is a present for Isaac Serbia, and we welcome Ms. Wisnia Milišević to come to be shot.
Hi everybody! Ćao svima! Evo jedan video pozdrav iz Italije za vas koji planirate da postanete članovi Isaaca, da znate da vam je to dobar potez u životu. Ovo je jedno od mnogih lepih iskustava koje mi je Isaac pružio i ova je moja cimerka iz Vijetnama i nas da živimo zajedno već mjesec dana, jako se lepo slažemo i putujemo dosta po Italiji i upoznali smo mnogo zanimljivih ljudi i još 2 mjeseca ćemo biti ovdje i mislim da nas svašta lepo čeka. And now, would you like to say something else?
Oh, sure.
What is your Isaac experience?
So I'm Trang from Vietnam, as Wisnia must have said so, and I come to Isaac Italy firstly for the internship, and I look forward to do something with the young kids and to teach them something about the culture, especially about Vietnam, so they can be hopefully more culturally tolerant and understanding. So I'm having a lot of fun here and preparing my lessons and going out a lot and sharing life with Wisnia. So that's basically what we are doing. So greetings from Napoli.
Yes, enjoy night, say hi.